An unclaimed Google business profile genuinely can't rank well in the local map pack. Let's fix that first. Local SEO is a genuinely different ranking system from regular search, built around a real physical location. Claiming and verifying a real Google business profile is the single most important first step, and consistent name, address, and phone number across the real web is a direct local trust signal. Genuine customer reviews, responded to honestly, are a real, ongoing local ranking factor too. This real, free step is the single most important one. An unclaimed profile genuinely can't rank well at all. This exact real NAP information must match, character for character, everywhere it appears online. Even a small real mismatch like AV versus Avenue across listings can genuinely confuse Google's local algorithm. Including a real city or neighborhood in titles and content is a direct, genuine local ranking signal. Genuine, honest customer reviews are a real, ongoing signal Google's local algorithm actively considers. Genuinely responding to reviews, both good and bad, is a real engagement signal that's directly visible to Google. A mention from a real, local, relevant source carries genuine local relevance beyond a generic backlink. A real, unique page per physical location, not one generic page, is what actually ranks for multi-location businesses. Each real location gets its own genuine, unique page with real local details, not a duplicated template. Next, the free Search Console reports most people never actually read.